Hello. Good evening. Good evening, everybody. Good evening. Good afternoon. Good day, wherever you are listening to Lady Joy. This is Lady Joy Show. This is Lady Joy Show. You are all welcome to my show. Is your girl, is your lady, Lady Joy Show. Please, if today is your first time when you take the follow Lady Joy. So my people, you are all welcome. You are welcome to Lady Joy Show. You are welcome. Thank you for joining. Good afternoon. Happy weekend to you all. Happy weekend. So my people, we have a lot to discuss today. So we want to discuss about what we they see, what they happen. I love this music. So we will get what we want to discuss today. So my people, please invite our brothers and sisters, invite our friends, our lovely ones, invite them. Please share this video, invite our people. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Thank you. Thank you for joining. Please invite people before we start. So my people, I love you people so much. Happy weekend. Today is Saturday. I'm so happy to see everybody again. I'm happy. So now not Lady Joy now. Now me I still remain on Lady Joy. I know they change. I know they be a fake name. Joy is my real name. So thank you for joining. People that love me, people that did not love me, thank you so much. Even to watch me, because it's not easy. Because if you say you don't love me, you don't like me, they call me different name. You still there my platform, they watch me, they put red eye, they put blue eye. Now your subscription, now you they use. That will not be my business. That is your business. So I love everybody. I don't hate anybody. So if you don't say you hate me, I hate you too. If you don't say you don't love me, I don't love you too. It's not by force. So people that love me, I love them back. People that did not love me, I did not love you. So you cannot force someone to love you. And this life, not be everybody go love you. Not be everybody go like what you they do. Even Jesus Christ, where he create herself, people still there against her. Human be where God still create, they still there against God. So talk less of me where never reach sleepers where God take much grants. So it's not it doesn't really matter that everybody will love you. So you will have much people that love you, will still have much people that did not love you. That is how God do everything in this life. So if you love me, kudos to you. I love you too. If you not love me, bye-bye to you. This life is nothing. We are going to live this life one day. You live everything you have. You will not take anything along. So if you join people where you hate people, now you know that will not be my business. So we get many things to talk about today. We won't discuss about people in diaspora, about men in diaspora. So this topic is really dey important. The thing they really they bother me for my mind. I said today I must bring this topic come outside so that maybe we can discuss this topic. May we at least may I still ask people. May I still know. At least we learn every day. Not be say me I just know everything. No, I don't know everything. I still dey learn. So we learn every day. Wetin me no know, you sef, you where they watch me, you know. Wetin you don't know, maybe me say where they talk. So maybe me sef I still know her. So now so the life be. If you see this hand, all hands are not equal. They're not they equal. One long pass one. Now one top pass one small. So now God know why he creates everything like this. So that is what we are going to be discussing today. So and we have a movement called SASAT People Movement. Please, if you want to join the SASAT People Movement, you inbox me so that we can discuss. If we can add you to the group, we can add you, because this SASAT People Movement, so we do it for. Because with the SASAT region, we want do it so that we go just down. They talk to our governor, they talk to our all those people where they our region, things where not they go well for our region. We go they let them know. At least through these brokers, I believe say that they listen to us. I believe say that they hear us. So that is why we create a SASAT People Movement led by Lady Joy. Please, my people from SASAT region, if you know you are interested. Any tribe where you like, may you be, whether you be Benin, you be Bayelsa, Akwa Ibom, Rivers, Cross River, Delta State. We are all the same thing. We do things together. Any tribe where you know say they speak for inside that SASAT, you are free to join this SASA people movement. So we want to try our best, want to do some things, at least where our government will ever see self, they will say, this SASA people movement, they really try, they continue like this, they start like this, because if we say maybe they wait our governor, all those our president, I believe say they not go give our brothers, our sisters good life. At least one way we will still do, we go still do it, so that they go still not say, see all those people, they not be president, they not be governor, they are still helping people. What about with the governors? So since they don't want to do things as a governor, so with the Southside people movement, we are going to try our best to make things easy in our region, because it's very important. So my people, before we start, if you are interested about the Southside people movement, inbox Lady Joy so that we can discuss. So thank you so much. So before we go, let us play this music before we go to our topic. Let me play this music before we start. Thank you so much. You cannot be like me. What are you thinking about me? Oh, you wish me good for you. Wish me bad. May we enjoy this music small before we start. Please share this video. Help me to share. Help me to share. Come in this year. Tomorrow may be your turn. Oh, tomorrow may be your brother. Nobody will be yours. You are great to be a rich man. Even be yourself, you not know tomorrow that is coming. What are you thinking about me? Oh no, if you wish me good for you. If you wish me bad for you. May we enjoy this music before we go to our topic. Before, if they hear my voice. Before, Sunday shoots catapult. Before, they never know they become baby. They call me Resting Molo. Now singing music, so they call me Danger Power. Everything a prayer, everything a faith. Poverty not be one person, matter for the case. Everything they come from you and spend a day. So mama, when money don't come, they go call you as they go. Brother, when money don't come, they go call you be a woman. They go walk and they follow you, follow everywhere. Let me just play this music little bit so before we start our topic. Nobody look my face. Apart from the suma man, Sansa Lipomet, Mane Guru Manu.
We must be. Give them.
Life no be joke, life no be play. Life no be like something, so when you give Babula, if you don't do that, somebody be me. Money when money don't show, they go call you as they go.
When money don't come,
They go call you yeah woman.
brother, when money don't show,
They go walk and they follow you, follow everywhere.
Never see anything.
Happy weekend, not when I am rich. Claim relationship. Not me when I'm poor, not when I am rich. Claim relationship. My grandfather, senior, your father, they come for the same village together. My grandmother, senior, your grandma. They come from the same Edo together, claim relationship. I love this music so much. I love it so much. So I need to play it a little bit before I start. When money don't be, family there, they don't laugh. When money don't be,
Life.
family don't money don't be. Oh my Yagabo, I'm the one they want to make. Oh my Yagabo, I said it, they want to make. then they complain. Oh my God, Okoro sit down there, they complain. Oh my God.
No believe, I never see anything.
Every time I see you, plenty things I see. Plenty things I hear in the street, plenty they might go. When I jump to different time, when I see these, oh my God, yeah, the mouth in the
You got to give them.
Please share the video. We are going to start very soon.
What's up?
thank you,
Mama, no, glory be to your name. Everything that you give me, glory no good.
What's up? What's up?
all fingers are nothing, he has written before.
I cannot be like you. You cannot be like me. What are you thinking about me? Oh no, if you wish me good for you. Oh no, if you wish me bad for you. Oh no, 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 no.
Gemini. Sky is the limit.
With money on it,
All my niggas, they baggers.
woman has money on it.
All my gay friends, they don't know me.
Please.
With money on it, I'm in Jamaica, I say with money on
Oh my yagabon.
it. I'm the money, they want to make up to the beggar.
Oh my yagabon.
I shade in them, they want to make up to the raga.
Oh my yagabon.
Why they see them, but they
Complain. Oh my yagabon. Okoro sit down there, they complain. Oh my yagabon. So let's continue with our topic. So it just be like the time where I won't start just now. Waiting I first talk. I say you way they wash me, where you not like me. You way they wash me, where you not love me. But you forget say you not be God. As far as say God love me, as far as say God like me. Now that one really dey important because everything wey we dey do for this life, all of them are vanity. If you die today, you just be like sand. As I wear shirt now, if person say me I come sit down for honorary ground, I not go sit down. I go tell the person say no, I too fine. As I wear this fine shirt, I go come sit down for honorary ground. But if you die today, they go put you for ground before 2 days, 3 days. You don't dey rotty. Worm go come they come out for inside your body. All those big go come they come out for inside. All those face where we they say na me fine pass, na me do this one pass. If you die today, you be like worm. So thank you so much. If you know say you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Lady Joy Show. Just help me press that button so that anytime we upload video there, you go see the alert for your phone. Please help me to share this video. We need to invite more people. So the topic where we really get today for the house. You get one video where I go play later. This video na about our boys for Europe. About our men for Europe. This thing, they affect our boys for Europe. But they look and say, what if the others to and say, I beg me, I just leave and they go, no. May I play this video before I continue with what I want to talk? It's really there somehow. It there somehow. I feel so bad. You understand? So this video where I want play. So where you go see say some of our boys.
you know they do anything.
Some of our boys,
You know
they
do
go
anything.
want make woman put them for house. Some of our boys, they will want make woman they take care of them. Mama remember say, other man say life don't change. Na man be the head of the house, not be woman. So na man supposed to they put woman for house, not be woman supposed to they put man for house. Let's be truthful. May we they talk truth. May we reason. You understand? Any man where woman put for house, he get the way it take day. He get the way it take day. No make sense at all. It don't make sense. What make me they talk? What make me do this live video today? Some of our men did this Europe. They not get where they sleep. They not get where they stay. They don't even get house to say, okay, they don't that. May they go put their head for there. They not get. But those kind of people, if you go trace them, go reach Nigeria, you go see say they get 3 flats, they get 4 flats, they get 5 flats, they get 6 flats. But they no get where they sleep for Europe, which is very bad. It's very bad, my people. It's not a good thing. Because this life where you see, so you not get part 2. This life not get part 3. Anything where you eat today, any enjoyment where you enjoy today, now it go follow you go. The day where God go call you. Now what it go follow you go be that one. See this video now, like this video now, this girl now they tell this man, now say, make this man come out for his house. You know what? Make the man they stay in house again. Now he go pay water bill. Now he go pay house bill. Now he go pay everything. Now the girl they pay everything. Why the man go their house? He go there sleep. The man go their house. He go there sleep. That kind of thing is not a good thing. It's not a good life. Not be good life. Because they say we don't say to become a man. It's not a day job. But when you work towards it, it go still come up, it go still be a day job. Because this thing, it don't dey obvious. I don't say not be all men, no. Not be all men, they stay with woman for house. Not be all. But out of 200, you go see about 120 day where they stay with woman for house, where woman they pay house bill, where woman they pay house rent, where woman go pay a light bill, water bill, those bill. Your wife go outside, go also go find money, go work. You wait be man go they ask, they sleep. So men they go get money, they go they pack and they go bongo. Not be said to carry money go bongo. Not be bad too, but you make sure say you don't dey well, you don't dey okay, you are okay, you are living better. Not be say to even eat save na problem, but you fit send 2,000 euro go ask for inside 1 month, but you no fit pay for ask when you dey sleep. It's too obvious. It's obvious. It's not good because anything where person they do for this life now, your health first. Your health. Just imagine now. Any European country where you go now we take the get cold day everywhere cold day. Now my white shirt I be one wear else as I see and say no, I don't feel wear this white shirt because of this cold. You understand? That person, one girl go contain you now, say okay, can't go outside. This ass not go contain you again. Go outside, go stay. Now shameful thing. Now shameful thing as a man. Now shameful thing. Even though you know if you rent full apartment, at least 1 room day. I don't say our Nigerian people, the way that they put 1 room now, they go ready to put only 1 room for 300 euro before they can collect light bill, before they can collect water bill. But nevertheless, it is more better say you dey streets or you dey stay with woman. It's more better. I beg our men, our boys, mostly our boys, not let any woman deceive you. Say okay, come dey stay my house. Come stay with me, and later we fit stay together. Maybe later you not stay with anybody. When you stay with woman, you better go stay with your boyfriend. It better pass because woman they fit decide today. Say okay, today you must come out for here. And not true, but that your boyfriend where they stay with, so that one go still get feeling. Say this guy na guy like me now. If I pursue him for us, I get the way go take day. I know say some women still good, but you will be man. At least woman don't put you for house. It don't pay 1 month. He help you 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, 1 year. So you won't tell me now. Say that 1 year now when you stay for that your girlfriend house, even though she help you, you not coffee even the supporter. You not go even see money for under 1 year. I don't say Europe, it's not easy. Europe not easy for anybody. Anybody no get who easy for. But at least, as I say, you don't already carry your bag. You don't come up for that bongo. Say you won't go find way to survive. You need to strong go work hard. You work hard. He get one brother where I know that brother, he get money. If you see house where he get for Nigeria, if they tell you say that brother get that house with the Nigeria, you not go believe. But Europe, yeah, you not get house. Anywhere where you see, now they sleep. My people, una say this kind of thing really good. If you not say this thing where they talk, so this topic where we get for this house today, you as I they talk and so you, maybe na normal thing or you like the kind of situation where they talk about, so you like you are free to call in. But for me as a Lady Joy, it's not a good thing because you see this life, any suffer where person they suffer for this life. Now because of your life, now make you they suffer and your children. Okay, some people they never born, they never even get children for Nigeria, they not get children for here. This small money where they go still they see. Instead of them to carry one room from there, they manage, they save. Small, it must better. Because nobody will go change country, go another country, will go there. Things go just day okay for her. Small life goes on. Before you know, things go just still change. All those people where you see today for Europe say they don't get money, they don't make things don't dey okay for them. You think say now when they just come Europe, 90s just dey okay for them? No, they started from somewhere. They start for somewhere. So my brothers, I'm using this opportunity to beg you people because I don't see a lot of video for social media where woman go they tell and say, come pack your things, may you come up from my house. I want may you leave my house. This has not be you they pay, I mean they pay. So what is a shameful thing? It's a shameful thing. Some people go they say, woman life dey easy for woman for Europe. You know get who life dey easy for. You know get who life dey easy for. As far as you don't come up for that bongo, even for bongo self, you know girl who go tell you say life just dey easy for her. No, that is not truth. Do you understand? Everybody, you must start for somewhere. Not just talk, say, because of say, okay, this girl, she all love you. She say, okay, my boyfriend, can they stay with me for her at least 6 months, 1 year. You say go still use your brain. Whether you find money, excuse me, whether you find money, you go rent your house, or you carry your money, you dey assist the woman. When the woman go pay half, you self go pay half. But for my own idea, as far as say you never married the girl, you never paid the girl bread price, you're there as boyfriend and girlfriend. If you get money, go rent your own house. Go and rent your house as a man, so that you will have a respect, so that the girl will respect you, so that women go look you say, this boy na better person. As if he say, I don't help her reach 6 months now, you don't find money, go rent your own house. The girl, it not me say you with the girl not they stay one house. The girl not if come they see you. If he come they see you, but your own respect, he go they give you because now your house if you come they meet you. It just feel be like for Nigeria now, if woman build house, put man for inside, that man not go get peace. Even though love day, even though love not day, one day that woman must tell the man say, this house where we there, so you know say na me build that. So it's very important for our men. I not say our men that they strong or that they try, but what if they kill some of our boys? Be say if they get money, they will just carry and go bongo. I won't build mansion. I won't build this one. I won't get 4 flats. I won't get 5 flats. My brother, if you die today, how many you won't carry follow body for inside the 4 flats? How many you won't carry follow body for inside the 4 flats? What is they important? Now your life, now they important. Now your life where you they live for this Europe, now really they important. Let's be truthful. We not say to achieve for Nigeria, it good, na good thing, na better thing. But before you achieve for Nigeria, you make sure say any country where you take find yourself, you go make sure say you don't dey okay, you dey well, you are comfortable. You understand? You know that you are okay before you take money to bongo to go and do anything you want to do. Now me they talk, even though you never build that for bongo, what is they important? May you dey okay for you, because if you dey okay for you, you go fit see money they carry, they go back. May they take build house with you. The house where they won't build with you now. You never know how many years where you want to go see that house. And you dey street, they suffer. You dey woman house, they suffer. So my people, let's think. Let's think. May we reason where. May we think where, because this life, you not get part 2. Now me they talk and say this life, you not get where this life they go. You not get where they go. So if you get money, make sure say you take care of yourself first before you come they cry for another people. Some people they never eat, but they ready to save money go give their family. Man, you forget say if you die today, all those things where you they send they go bongo, they bongo. No one where you want carry follow body. No one. No one where you go carry follow body. So before you be say, you go come they help people. Help yourself first. Help yourself first. First do your own first. First remember your own first before you remember another person. Because this thing, it don't dey obvious. If you go social media now, you go see where they pursue boys. They pursue them. They will say, come out for my house. Come out for my house. I don't need you for my house again. Come out for my house. How many years? How many years we go take do all those kind of life?
You will come out for my house today. Me, I don't tire. Come pack your things. Pack your things. Come out for my house.
If I promote, na me go go work.
This, you understand? How we go take continue this kind of life? How are we going to continue? Woman go they tell you say you can't come up from my house, can't leave my house. This house not be me and you build that. This house not be me and you get her. I want me you can't come on. It's a shameful thing. And you get thousands for Nigeria. You get millions for Nigeria. You get buildings for Nigeria.
Like that, you know they do anything. You know they do anything. Just
It not really make sense for me, as a Lady Joy. It not really make sense for me. Because before you think anything, you first think your own first. Before you think anybody, you first think your own first.
you know they do anything. Just like that. Same time. Almost to 3 do anything. You know they do anything. Just like that. Same time. Almost to 3.
I don't know whether you people will see it very well.
Come pack your things. Pack your things. Come up from my house. If I promote, na me go go work. Go bring money. Na me go cook. Na me go do everything. You go see the letter. Come on, go work. Go see carry woman. Come my house where they pay us rent.
Why you dey insult me like this? I dey video this thing. I dey video this thing when you dey do. This one.
I want to make video because I don't try. I'm fed up. I'm tired of it. I will go out there, have to look for money to come and talk. Then after we will release, after this is I will go to work. We will bring woman into this house. Leave my house. Leave my
Why
house.
you dey do me? Why you dey do like this? Why you dey complain? And see, na me I no suppose to work, not dey. You no need to
No, you don't work. You don't work.
shout o. Me I no dey.
Go look for work. Oga, I know they shout.
But you know say e get time when money take dey my hand. You no dey shout like this.
You don't get. It's in there.
All the things when I do, you no get
But
one
I
when you
don't do anything.
abeg make una na me wan video.
I don't want to show the video because of
You
Facebook.
won't do anything.
Hi.
Now only my money they do for streets. Oga, don't try. Leave my house. Come on.
But okay now, why before call start, why you not tell me my video? Call don't start. Okay, then
Shebuna the listing. Shebuna the year. It's a very now disgrace. It's a disgrace. This kind of big boy like this fine boy, even though you not get work, go and do shoro, find money. Strong go, also na also. As I say, you not go thief. As I say, you not go do bad thing. As I say, you not go carry powder. As I say, you not go do wetin go make you go prison. As I say, you not go carry wetin go make you go prison. Strong go, also na also. And even though you dey Nigeria self, you go still strong go. You go still also. Money no they come for heaven. You understand? Good afternoon. Thank you for joining. Money no they come for heaven. Money not they wait for woman money for Europe. Also strong go. If woman wey not even strong, feed the also money they try best. So women they do shoro. Woman they go supermarket, go they beg money, they do bonjourno. What about you wey be man? As a man, even though you don't still get work, even though you don't see work, still go outside. Go fine. At all na it bad. Nothing too small, nothing too big. If you want make women or guests, make they respect you as a man, struggle for yourself. Don't wait for any woman. No wait for any woman. Now lazy man, they wait for woman money. Now so woman still be. Any woman where they wait for man money, you know say na lazy woman that she be. Strong at all na it bad. See this video where I play just now, the way the girl they tell the boy say, okay, the girl don't go work or she don't come back. She they ask the boy say, so you still dey bed since why I say come on, go outside, go find money. You still dey here they sleep. No. You understand? You still dey here they sleep. That kind of man no go fit get respect.
Mama, posso pesto.
That kind of man no go fit get respect. The woman no go look and say human being go they look and say this one, what is this one get self? Me where I go outside. Go find money come. The man go just dey bed, they sleep. Now woman go come find wetin you go eat. Now woman go cook for you. Now woman go do everything. Wetin happen? Now wetin they sup? My man, my boss, my brothers, wetin they play? Please share this video. Invite more people. May we think. Some people go I go hear what some people go they say, women for Europe, it dey easy for them. It not dey easy for anybody. Anybody anybody, no dey easy for anybody. Take the grace of God. It take the grace of God for everybody to survive. Even we not say work, no day, no work. Even they said the European people say they find work, they not see work. But anyone when you see, they say half bread is better than not. If not sure you they do, I even don't have 10 euro you they see every day or every 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Manager, small life goes on. But God see say you they try your best to also. Let's say work never come outside. The small way it they follow up. Use that follow up. Like people for Forjana, they get farm work. Then they go, they pluck tomatoes, they pluck pepper. Anyone where you know say if you do, use that also. Strong go. Because if tomorrow you hear where boys they talk, say, guess not they respect us again. Guess not they look us reach anything again. Yes, because any girl will come put you for house, now they feed you. Now they pay our strength for you. You won't come where that girl, then I can't they do say, now you be everything. No. And some of our people with their selfish interest, with their greediness, they go get this money, they go they tire, they go they carry and they go bongo. You say, I want build. That my 5 flat why else they build. That my 20 flat why else they build. Okay, the house where you they build, not be where you day life, not be go fit build the house finish. If you not day life, say you can't day street, they sleep for street, coal can't enter your body. If coal enter your body, you die today. All those money where they send, they go bongo. You just say you go see all those money again. You not go see them again. You not go see all those, even the house, the duplex where you build, though, the mansion where you build, though, you not go see anyone again. You will not see anyone again. That is why we need to take care of ourselves first. Now our life is very important before bongo. That one not me say if God come bless you tomorrow, you don't really see say you don't dey okay, you get house where you dey stay, you are okay, you are comfortable, you can't dey get maybe some money, the money where you can't dey get, it can't dey over plenty. If you see the car, okay, my sister, if now me they talk, if you won't build that today, if you really get the money cash, you won't build that today. You feel send 3,000 euro, 4,000 euro, go Nigeria. Instantly, they go buy land, they go do everything, they go build them before 2 weeks. Your house don't stand. So people there where they build us for bongo, since how many years now? They don't even know how the house be. They don't even know the color. They don't even know. If you go send another person house, they'll come send that for you. Go, oh, they happy. Maybe 5 years now, you never enter bongo. The house, tell me now, say the house where they build now, since 10 years ago, you dey Europe, you never go there, you never even see them. House where they built since 10 years. By now, it don't change to old house. It don't change to old house. Here we not cabo or boy or weji. Before you not be said to build that, it's no good. It good. Now very good thing, a very good idea. But when you know say you are okay, you live in Europe, you live in comfortable, you are okay. That is the first thing that is very important. As cold day now, one woman will come tell you now make you can't leave your house. For inside this cold, you not get direction where you they go. You not get anybody where you want go meet, and you get mansion for Nigeria. That mansion where you get for Nigeria now, you not go fit go there. You not go fit carry the house, come Europe, maybe you can't use and they stay. It's not possible. So what are we talking about, my people, my brothers? Let us make we strong out on our hustle. As far as say you not thief. At all, anyone where you they get, they save her. First think about your life first for Europe before you think about Nigeria home. So people they here na piazza they sleep. Piazza they not get where they sleep. They from house to house. I beg they will just call their friend. I beg my brother. I beg I'll come sleep your house today. Or I beg I not just get where I want you to sleep today. I beg cold day outside. I don't feel sleep outside. I not get where I want sleep today. I beg just help me. May I sleep your house? I beg. But you get house for Nigeria. Now me they tell person before you do things back home, make sure that you are okay. You are okay here. Make sure that you live comfortable, because this life where you see, so you not get part 2, you not get part 3, you not get part 4, now only part 1 now we get. You suffer finish for Libya road. You can't suffer. You know the stress, the way Arabute beat you, the way they tell you say control money. If you not control your money, they go beat you, put different things for your body. Where you can't reach Europe now. You not can still live better life. May you strong go find money. Small more money when you still they get. May use and rent. Even though na one room, rent time. The manager first before God can give you better job. If you get better job, say you get document, God really bless you. You feel go bongo. If you go bongo for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, that's where you want build. If you build that, you go not say yes, you don't they go, you don't they come back. Not be say you day here, you never get document. You never even get house where you they stay. Small money where you still get, where you see the manage they get for streets. You go just see the carry and they go bongo, they can and they go. See me, I tell you something. People where they bongo, we not say they still they suffer. We know say that they suffer, but some people when still in Europe here, they still they suffer because here no papa, no mama, no sister, no cousin, nobody. You alone. You alone. You alone. Some people when you see today say that they Europe. Some people just say, be you dey Europe now. I not say they enjoy. I not say everywhere don't good for you, and everywhere don't they okay. My brother, my sister, who no go, he no know. Who no go, he no know. No know as they go. But they also say, yes, see you say yours guys can't shoot out for Facebook. This one everywhere don't popori, everywhere don't suburb. My brother, not be easy. It not easy. It not easy. So my brothers, my sister, may we think, may we reason. If you not say you they watch me for a year, you they listen to what I they talk so, and you not say you they inside this topic where they talk so, or your friend they inside, you better advise that your friend make it go the hustle. If na supermarket, make it go stay there. Even though na 1 euro that they give her, even though na 2 euro, even though na 5 euro, if they see, make it suffer, they save her, small, make it go find house. You must start for somewhere. You must start for somewhere because person wey won't help you today, no go just dey help you forever and ever. Say, make I can't help this brother, I go just help him forever. No. Like this girl now where they talk just now. Maybe don't help this boyfriend now for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. The boy still they wait for her. May we discuss. May we talk one-on-one. I be say you as a man, as a responsible man, you go they stay with woman for house. We not say love now for better for worse. Everybody know that one. But the way life day now, love is not for better for worse. Because you will be the man. Day break, you sleep, you day bed, you lie down. The woman now don't suffer. Go outside, go find money come. It get the way it is now. Woman, so if you even look and say now, woman supposed to day ass. Man go also. Go strong. You understand? It go strong. Take care of the family. If the woman still say, okay, since this my husband they try, may I still help my husband at all. May I go they find, even though not to clean house or not to do bandante work, may I go find so that I still they use and they assist my husband. You will be man you must first wake up first before your wife will follow you. Not be saying you go day bed, they sleep. Your wife go they suffer, they find money when I want to eat, when I want to pay for her strength. It not make sense. It don't make sense. When not they look our papa all the days before. No, they look our papa. They married 3 wives. I not say that time and this time it did different. When not they look there, they marry 4 wives, 6 wives, 7 wives. What is they take care of them now? Farm work. Farm. They take care of the family. That time you go see where papa go born 25 children, 30 children, 45 children. Only one man go get 45 children. Not be now safe. How they take care of those children when they get? How they take care of their woman? We never hear one day that time say all these days say you go see say woman go come carry man put for house. No. If you not say you hear that where your papa where they like 60 years or 70 years or 80 years, he tell you one day say woman now they carry man they put for house. Come call Lady Joy, may you can't explain give Lady Joy. I never hear one day, but nowadays. Some men not be all the men, not be all men. Some men they want may be saying a woman go they take care of them. See me, I tell you one secret. Me I let una know one secret. No house woman go love you rich. Wey be say they go break, the man go lie down for bed. The woman go dey suffer, they carry money, come they use and they feed you. One day, he must pursue you come outside. Yes, that is just the truth. Not you say, this girl love me. Even though you do juju, you take time and down. He get where you go reach, that juju he go spoil. He eye go clear, he go tell you, say, me wey be woman, I go they take care of you, go they pay hand strength, they pay hands be. He go tell you, say, no, come out from my house. So before that disgrace go come, you as a man, you need to struggle. You need to also for yourself. Also, man is the head of the house. You need to work. We not say work, not there anywhere, but at least, even though na surety, go do, as I say, you not thief. Man, I know they put expensive, they go say, women for Europe, that they get, they not they suffer. Woman for Europe. You just say, you don't ever see where woman, they go for road for Europe, you see money peak. You don't ever see where lady go, they go for street, money go just come meet her like this, say, woman for Europe, carry this money. It not there. Everybody, they suffer before person get the money. So you will be mad when they stay for your girlfriend house. Or you they stay with anybody. Even though, go and look for money, go and struggle. All those money, 1 naira, 500 euro. When they send, they go bongo. I bet money build house for me. They say, boss said, don't finish the house. They say, Joy, don't build the house, finish. They say, Jeremiah, don't build the house, finish. Myself, I won't build house. He says, sew your coat according to your size. If you never see money to build house today, that one not me say you not go build house tomorrow. If you never make her today, that one not me say you not go make her next tomorrow. Who don't make her? Who don't build house? Who don't get money? Now you get. Everybody gets in your own time. Where God say everybody go take make her for this life. May you know they wait for person say because of say Jeremiah you built 5 flats. What me still they wait? Now me fair enter Europe and never do anything. See Jeremiah when you come Europe yesterday, he don't make her, he don't get money, don't get 10 flats. My brother, my sister, figure where you see so, not be equal. If you not build today, you go build tomorrow. If you not build tomorrow, you go build next tomorrow. All those people where they build so, the time when you go take build your own, they go they ask you say, my sister, what happen? How you take make am? How you take happen? When you come build big house like this, me when you don't even build since my house don't even old. So everybody gets it time. Everybody gets it time. Now what me I believe say, what make some of our people they stay with girl for house. They go say, me I they stay with this girl, me I gather money, me I fair build my 4 flats first. After I don't build my 4 flats, I'll come go. After I don't build my 4 flats, I'll come go rent my house. No. You need to rent your house first before you build 10 flats for Nigeria. You need to be very well okay here before you get any mansion for Nigeria. Because if you not get anything for here, you they pack all of them, they go bongo. You get 1,000 euro today, you don't reach bongo. You get 500 euro today, you don't reach bongo. You get 2,000 euro today, you don't transfer them. You never get document where you want to go Nigeria. Those money where they transfer, they go there. Now whether they really they use them for what you say they use them for, you don't know. You there here, you there inside co. As co day now where be say everywhere where you go. Even inside my if I inside where they here say at the fico. I see the fico. What of a bad person where can't sleep for inside outside? How you say me fee my people? How you say me fee? So my brothers, mostly brothers. I not say it not easy. Say job not day. Everybody understand the situation of Europe. But at least this most one where you see they get. I know some people where be say they know they work. Now surety that they do. Sure, now that they do. That they pay for their house strength. They not get another work where they do. They pay for house strength. They pay for house strength. They take care of themselves. Do you understand? Not be say you just go shorty, you just gather money. I say this month I just get like 500 euro. This month I just carry and go bongo. May they just use and to build that house. May they just build that house. They go. My brother, not be saying a bad thing, not be bad thing. But what you can they cause all those things so where be say girl go come put you for house. Tomorrow you go come say bros, I bet this house I don't want to see you for this house again. You need to leave now. It's a shameful thing. Even me, where be woman, If I dey stay with person, the person just call me say, oh yeah, Joy, come out from my house today, you must leave. You know the way I go take feel? You know the way I go take think? You know where I go reason go far place. I go reason. Talking about say man, you know what it be man? Even Bible say, now man be the head of the house. Man. That is why you see today. Some women, they know they respect some men. They go say, you will be man. They call yourself, say you be man. You don't know the way you go take care of your family. You know they hustle. You know they do anything. They will just break your heart like that for beg. Because my love, I beg now. Some of our men, woman go see they pay their house rent. The woman when they pay your house rent now, the woman never really get her assurance. Say this boy where they stay, this my boyfriend where with the guy that they stay the same house. So you never get assurance. Maybe you go marry him, or maybe you not go marry her. You feel not marry her tomorrow. So my bros, my brothers, let's think because see this video now. I don't know why the thing not play finish. The way the girl take talk, the girl say even though she not dey house, this is boyfriend. If they carry another girl, they come the same house where this is girlfriend they pay money so. The boy go still carry girlfriend come. They carry you, they go. You they carry person. My people, may we think now. Tomorrow I go say woman no good. No be say woman no good. Too much of everything is bad.
You know they do anything just like that. See time.
I don't know why the video they stop. Whether they don't delete the video, I don't know.
Come pack your things, come out from my house.
So it they obvious and it's so very painful.
If I come out, now me will go work, go bring money. Now me will cook. Now me will do everything. You will see like that. If I come out, go work, go see carry woman. Come my house where they pay us rent.
Why you dey insult me like this?
I never insult you. I just of you talk jejeje.
I dey video this thing. I dey video this thing when you dey do. This one.
Me, I want to make you video because I don't tire. I'm tired.
Just see this.
I will go out there. How to look for money to come and cook. Then after cooking, you will eat. After eating, then the next I will go back. I will go to work. You will bring woman into this house. Leave my house. Leave my house.
Why you dey do me? Why you dey do like this? What is the problem? And see, I know say okay, work not day. You know me say okay.
Work day. You don't want work. You don't want fair
You
work.
shout to me.
Mona listen, I don't want show am because of
but you don't take get time when money take my hand. You know they start like this.
You don't get. If he dey.
All the things when I do, you don't get there when you do. I beg, make una. Now me one video.
I don't know you. You not do anything.
Hi.
Now only my money they do for streets.
Mona listen.
Okay, I don't tire. Leave my house. Come on.
But okay now, why before call start? Why you not tell me my video? Call don't start. Okay, where I go take. Okay, wait.
Now as call start, so my good make for serious. Because in where the normal pay out money.
Pick your call.
I know they pick. Come out from my house. I was scatter. See your laptop. I was scatter Ramo. I'm mad.
See, I dey video you. I dey video anything I see. Tomorrow day, not because of tomorrow. We're gonna do things for tomorrow.
Tomorrow, no, I'm not there for that tomorrow. Tomorrow shall never finish. Come on.
And when you not get problem now?
Problem don't start. I don't need again. I don't want.
Wetin happen? Okay, you get person when they find you come house.
I'm not there. Your own self don't make me hate.
Okay, where if you pursue me, where you want me I can't go?
Go street. Your mates they sleep for train station.
We be Nigeria. Why you do
like
this? We be
I don't be Nigeria again. I be Togo. I not be Nigeria.
Everything
I don't be Nigeria to you.
Oh, you're not versed now. May you get patient. We go fix all this thing.
If I vex, you know go sleep here again.
The problem is say 1 naira.
I'm amicably now. You know one take.
1 naira not just dey my hand. If you say my comot, where you want make am go, just get patient for this thing.
Go train station, sleep for train station. You get friends. If I talk here, come here. And they are my colleagues. They are my teammates. They are my this. They are my that. Go and sleep with them now. Why can't you just choose one and be sleeping there? I said I don't need again. Is it by force? Leave my house, so don't let me come back and meet you here.
I beg, see this thing when you dey do, may you just get patient.
I'm not patient. A patient dog is the fattest. I'm not a patient dog. I cannot continue to be a patient dog again. Leave my house.
Before you know me not dey like this.
Leave my house.
I'm not there like this as
you have been like this all this while. You have been there. There never a time you have money.
never reach the one where you take call police. Why you call police? If you call
You see, you see what Lady Joy they talk? All those kind of things are disgrace. It's a disgrace. It's a big disgrace. Maybe your brother now they bongo now. You just say, my brother they live fine. My brother they okay. My brother they okay for where he did. Later now, woman can't video you like this now. He can't put you for social media. Can't they tell you say you must leave my house? How your family? How are they going to feel? How they won't feel? They're not gonna feel happy. They're not gonna be happy. They will not be happy. Say you don't do, say you get money, they pack money, go they give them. They carry things, go they give them. At the end, you know if you get where you want to stay. At the end, your family go consider they see you say, woman don't pursue you for house. Woman don't tell you say, may you come up for a house. It not make sense. It not make sense, my people. Not be waiting, it really good. Not be waiting, you go really see where you go just feel happy. Say, okay, this kind of life, so I like this kind of thing. Nobody where you go, they happy. Even me, if I see my brother like that, I will not be happy. Even my friend self, maybe casual friend, maybe I just see her like that, woman pursue her come up for, I will not be happy. I will feel for him. I will feel for her, and that is why if you don't know quit and way, okay, no matter where go Bobby life in now. Anywhere you see yourself, you need to be strong as a man, whether a woman or a man. You need to be strong. You need to look for way forward. It's very important. Because even that person where you they stay with for her, so not be say they go break. He go your go tree, go pluck the money for top of tree where he get. No, himself still they suffer before himself get the money. He not get anybody where he pull tree for backyard where for the pluck money. He not they. Except those people where they won't go they carry powder, where they won't go they sell powder. Under Tuesdays, they know how much where they won't get. If they do that business, you get where you go do and reach every day for thief, one day for the owner, where they cash you, all those money where you don't get before. You go spend all of them. Person where they even they do sure yourself. It will come better pass you. It go better pass you. Life na jeje. Like this life where you see so na jeje. So my brothers, if you never get work, and some of our brothers still there. Maybe you feel see white man, I go tell you say you go do badante work. You go say, ask me, I help big rich like this, so I'll go to do badante work. I know what you do. I don't want to do. You see this Europe where we dey so. Any work where you see, as I say not be armed robber work, as I say not be thief, as I say not be powder you won't go carry. Any other thing, you work, you collect your money. You work, you collect your money. Also now, also. This one in Europe. You see many people today where they will go bongo, go they throw away money, go they spend money, go they carry bunch of money they throw away today. You go to say maybe that they pluck money for Europe. They not they pluck her. They suffer before they see those money. So my brother, my sister, if you not say you dey inside this topic where they talk about, so you need to struggle. You need to also, because it's a shameful thing where you can't stay with woman. Woman will come tell you say, colleagues, I beg this room. I don't tell you. I know why you stay this room with me again. Why you can't leave today? You not get where you they go. As Ray they fall now. As I they talk to you now, Ray they fall. Can't carry bag, enter inside Ray. Is it not a disgrace? It's a disgrace. Nothing like say you dey your house. Even though now you know if you carry big apartment, I know say big apartment, it they cost. But if now one room your hand still rich, carry one small room. Renter. If you go outside, you come back. If na shoro you go there do, if you don't do shoro finish, you come house, you go still see where you go cook, you go eat, you go see where you go take bath, you go see where you go take change clothes, you still see where you go put head, you go lie down with peace. Not be say you can't stay with person. Today if you touch here, brother, I know you like what you just do yesterday. How you go touch near my bed? Who tell you say me you touch my bed spread? Why you go touch the other one for the kitchen? You not go get peace. You not go get peace, you not go get rest of mind. Now so some of our guests still be. Some of our guests, they don't want also. Even though you tell them say, one work day here, oh, come work, oh, they not go work. They go tell you say, na me one come they go they do badate work. I been na me one go they do cleaner work. I been na me one go they do this one work. As I say, you don't come up for that bongo. Any also na also as I say not be prostitution, you won't go do, not be thief, not be bad business, you won't go do. You work, you receive your money. But some of our people, they don't want to work. They say, they will tell you, say, no work, oh, no work, oh, no work, oh, no work. Oh, the man say Nigeria, now say work, no still there Nigeria. So people still there that Nigeria today, whether they work. At all. Even though na 15,000, even though na 20,000, even though na 30,000, at least if month end, you will not say something will still enter your hand. And if you dey work, you see say the money wey they pay you na small money, e no mean use am start. Before you know, small, gradually, if you really sabi dey do the work, before you know, another person wey even use eye see you sef say, ah, this person sabi this work, oh, okay, leave this one wey dey work, so come go work for another place. Na small work you go take find big work. Excuse me. But some of our people, they just say, ah, I go come dey work this small work where I know say if I go Shoro, I go see like 50 euro a day. I go come dey work this work like this hard work. They'll come dey pay me 900, or they'll come dey pay me 800, or they'll come dey pay me 700, or they'll come dey pay me 1,000. If I go Shoro 3 times in a month or 4 times in a month, I don't get my money. But sometimes you go reason and say that Shoro where you dey go, so you no go pay tax. You know they pay tax for inside that Shoro where you dey do. But this work where you won't go work, so this contract of work where they won't give you, so even though after they don't pay your tax, they can't give you 700. Now money at all na it bad. Maybe say that 700 now you pay our strength, maybe like 300. At least like 400 will still remain for you a month. You understand? No be easy. The time we never come up for bongo, they go tell you say if you are reach Europe under 1 week, you don't make am, you don't build 10 flats, you don't build 20 flats. Na lie. Who no go, you no know. Who no go, you don't know the way they go. Except people where they say they won't go pull hand for bad thing. They won't go rush, make they really also the money instantly before you know they don't make am. Except all those kind of people. But if you say you won't come Europe, say you don't want to go prison, you don't want to live bad life for Europe, you must one step to another. One. If you declare Austria now, you go declare 1, 2, 3, 4. You go declare they go up before you reach Austria where they go. But if you say you won't rush, say as my mate don't make her, myself I won't make her. Before you will go enter where you're not supposed to enter. And when you enter there, the money where you won't make, your family where you won't go also money give, they're not going to even follow you go prison. They're not going to follow you suffer. Now you go suffer alone. So you need to wise. You need to open your eye. Before you remember your family for Nigeria, make sure say you self they okay. Make sure say you dey okay. You feed yourself. You get where you dey put your head. Not be say you just see your money today. They just pay you money for work. You just carry all of them. You put Nigeria. Don't, sister, you get one motor. We just see like this. Send money come. May we go buy that land. The land just they ship. Just send the money come. We go just buy and wait you. Most of those people, those money, they know they use and buy anything. They go use and do for themselves. He get one brother where they my city. He sent 3,000 euro. Go Nigeria. Make they take buy land. Make they put and do everything. His Gina brother, he carry the money. He use and potpourri. He use and flex. He use and carry women. He use and carry women. The time where this brother come day here, he has where he fed day before. The woman will get the house come tell and say, he know what time again. Make the brother come out. He can't dey find money. He can't dey find money. Person where you go borrow 300 euro. Where you go take job money. Where you go take renters. I call her and say, come. Why be so now they always they behave like this? You wait send 3,000 euro. Go give your brother for bongo. It's our last month. Now you dey find 300 euro. Now when person won't borrow you, where you want heart to your where you take pay her strength. You see, it's not good. It's not really good. That is why it's very important before you do anything to bongo. You make sure that you are okay here first. You make sure that you are living fine first. You make sure that you everything is with you first before you remember people back home. Because if you get problem today, now they go fair laugh you. Say since we dey Europe, what he don't do? Where how much he don't give us? What he don't give us? What she don't give us? They not go remember say the time when you get money, you dey pump and they give them. They not go ever remember one day. Now the bad side, the day when you not take give them, now they go tell remember. That one not me say if you get much, if you get plenty, you feel give them. That one a normal level. You feel give. If you know say you get plenty, but if you know say you not get plenty, say you dey manage, you dey start life, you new enter, you get the way things be, my brother. before you think about people wey dey bongo, first think about your life first. First think the way you go take live good life, where you take get house where you go stay, you get where you dey suffer, dey hide if dey dark. It's more important. It's more important say you go dey plead people, you plead them and you displease yourself. You please yourself first. First make yourself dey available before you remember another person. Because this life where you see so, e no get part 2. If you die today, you no go remember say you get million for Nigeria. If you die today, you no go remember say you get one big hotel where you build for Nigeria. You no go remember. You don't go. You don't go. You don't go. Your life don't finish. You don't finish.
1, 2, 9, 8.
You understand? The life not get part 2, now only part 1. So my brothers, now men, I really get this message. Men, now I really get this message. You understand? Now I really get some. Mona think. If you dey watch me, you know say you dey stay with your girlfriend. Go and look for money. Even though na one room, you feel rent. Go rent one room. Wetin dey important na you dey pay put. Now you dey stay there. Nobody go come fit tell you say, abeg, I don't want to see you for inside this room today. Get out away from this place. Nobody. Whether you see shop or whether you not see shop or whether you never eat this money, nobody go know your secrets. You go suffer, they manage your life, they go. But if you say, abeg, any money where they get me, they suffer, they shocking. Some people see staging. Some men, they staging. They go outside. They see money, they go, they shocking her. They shocking her. They shocking her. Say, I bet this money, I heard they shocking her. I don't want renters at all. I heard they stay my friend house, they go. I don't want rent any. I mean, they follow my friends, they stay. Maybe they manage up. Some people, they go bongo. They'll go, they do big man for bongo. They get house for bongo. But yeah, they not get where they stay. Now, friends that they follow, they drag beds. Which kind of big man is that? Which kind of big man be that one? What you they suffer for? All the old money where you get, what you they use and they do? If you die today, how many you won't carry follow body? You feel they okay first for where you day. You feel they okay. You live good life. You know, say you are okay. You live a better life. If you want bath, you will see where for bath. If you want eat, you go see where for eat. If you want go toilet, you see where they go toilet. Not be say you want bath. You come they call your friend. Hello, I beg, birthday. I beg Samudi. I beg where you dey now. I beg. I never your bath since yesterday. I beg. I be the family for one bath. I don't know whether your house they vacant. I don't know whether your woman there. So I won't just call your side come bath. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? And you get money, you dey ballon and they go back to Nigeria. Eh? Okay, if that your friend come tell you now say, where they are beg. I know you get chance. So I know as you just see me, so I know they house. I know just they house. I know they far place. Yeah, just they now you even far from where you dey. And in their house. In their house, instead go they gossip. You say this my friend. Say you know they shame. If they get money or not, say no they get money, but no one rent us. Every day go they call me say I won't come your house, I won't come back for your house, I won't come do this one for your house. It's somehow. It did somehow. So men, make una wake up. Make una think well. We know say Europe side not easy. It not easy for anybody. It not easy for anybody. Everybody na management. Make una strong go also for yourself. To become a man, not be a day job. If you want to be a man, it's not a day job. Not be one day, not be only one day. One day you just say, not only today I just be a man. A lie. Even Dangote today, not be only one day. They can be like that. Not be one day. Start for somewhere. He also, he's strong go. Also now also. As far as you no go thief. As far as you no go do black market, what they do? Strong go and save. Some men they feel go short today. They go get 20 euros. In the evening, they don't go beer parlor. They go beer parlor, go spend that money. And you they stay with person for house. You know they pay our strength. Inside that 20 euro, you know go feel save a month. My friend, I better take this 100 euros. Something you still enter my hand this month. I say, I still support you for our strength. I know say it's not easy. But some people, because of their selfish interest, they go say, I beg, may I just stay there. The day when you go come tell and say, I beg, come up for my house. Now that time you go come see say you be bad person. And you don't forget saying that this person and they help you since maybe since 6 months or 7 months when you take stay in house, you not pay 1 naira. And you they get money. Even the person where you they follow they stay, he no say this man they get money. You can never even support her or support him, say, take this 100 euro. May we gotta pay for her strength this month. So much is still enter my hand. You go see no say you they try. Not be say you just get everything, you the kind of they hide that. You not get money, but you they go beer parlor, go they drink. You not get money, but you go they buy cigar. You not get money, but you they smoke. You they smoke. My people, my brothers, we need to reason very, very well so that all those disgrace where woman go come they video you, go come they tell you say, I better leave my house. It used to be like that boy, one Agbo boy. Whether not DJ that they call the boy, I don't know. Where they still show for video that time for Facebook. Where the girl come they tell the boy say make he come out for his house. You know what time DJ come out for my house. I don't want you again for my house. Go outside. Go. It's a shameful thing. It's a shameful thing. I must tell you the truth. You feel they look and say na normal level, na Europe style. Not be Europe style. People where they respect you for bongo. People where you they send money they give. People where you they help. They come here tomorrow. They come see you for social media. Say woman they pursue you. Say may you come out for inside your house. You not even get house to stay. How do you think they will be respecting you? They will not respect you. They will not respect you, my people. They cannot respect you. That is just the truth. That is why you need to respect yourself so that people will respect you. If you cannot respect yourself, people will not respect you. People will not respect you. Please, it's very important. You go see some men now. They go marry woman for this Europe. They go get children. Because of say that they give his wife, his children benefit, his husband not go work again. If you say make it go work, no, I don't want, I bet call too much, jare. You know say how those children benefit now, they go pay children benefit now, they go soon put the money for your account now. This month, I don't want you to suffer myself, this call too much. Call too much. But you know say you get family. As a man, as a responsible man where really they responsible. If they break, whether work they outside though, whether work not they outside though, he go carry shirt. He go carry his shirt. He go say, my wife, I beg, give me my shirt for there. I mean, not be say I get work where I won't go work today or bet. At least me I just still wear clothes. Me I go also anything at all na ain't bad. He go come out for house. He go come out for house. Even though at least if he come out, his wife go say, this my husband. Oh, may God provide work for her. I will say really see work. If for work, even your wife say go they follow you, they tell people I beg my husband need work. They go just break, he go just carry cloth, he go come up for house. He won't go find the way he want to also take care of your family. He go they beg people. I beg if you not see work, make you not tell me, may I tell my husband, may he for call work. Not be say they go just break. You just like that for bed bagara. Just they bed. Your wife said don't get up. They find waiting you now want you. Just they there. Lazy man. Any lazy man when lazy woman not the respect her. Even me as a lady joy, if I marry, say my husband lazy, I not go respect her. I not go respect her because you are a man. You be man. You need to wake up, waka. Even though you don't get job, just stroll, go tell your friend, I beg, I need work. At least feel leave us in the morning. Go outside. I beg anywhere one of us woman let me know. Before you still come out, your wife go not say if your mind really there to work. Now because you never see, I will say you see if I don't work. Do you understand? So that kind of thing, before quarrel go come, you go still there, you go still get the way it take day. Before quarrel go still come. A man go just like that, go just like that, bagada, they go break, you still there. Your wife go every day tell you, Papa God's time, you know go wake up, you know say time don't go. You want your day bed today. Maybe your wife don't carry children, go school. You still dey bed, they sleep. Tomorrow when you hear say they want pay child benefits, you go just say, my wife, that child benefits, just give me one side and me get her. If they work like that, you know they work. Try to find something to do. Tell people around you. If now you both there around, if now black, I bet brother, I dey find work. I bet any work where you see, I go do. At all. If you still come house, my wife, now 50 euro I see bring today, now 100 euro I see bring today. Things go see day easy than say you just dey house with the wait for children benefit. If you not come get children, you no go hustle for your life, you no go struggle for your life. Any man way dey lazy, I not like her. Me as I dey, so I be woman. I don't want to say I go your day will break. I just dey house, just they sleep, wake up, finish, come eat. Say life don't feel no. Woman need to struggle, man need to struggle. If man and woman really plan together, that is why Oyibo people say 2 heads is better than 1. If man and woman really plan together, they do things together, they think well for 1 year. Una really discuss together, say una want achieve something. For 1 year, that thing una want achieve, una go achieve it together. Now we achieve it together because una two dey one rope like this. Una really plan now. Say okay, my wife now so we go do on this year. Now so we go do on this year. Okay, my husband, me I don't see cleaning work. I won't go they do that work. I know say now they know they pay plenty money. Okay, my husband. Okay, you said don't see another work. Even though na restaurants to wash plates. As I say more to end, they give you money. Now what me really see say they important. Some of our people wey see they cry say work not dey Europe so you go see work for them for beer parlor say make they come they wash plate go say nia as me just big rich so you say me I come they wash plate for beer parlor, but it doesn't really matter. It no matter. Also as I say you no thief. It no really matter. What is the important say you they work? That work where they work so it they help your documents. If you see they see money they assist your wife. Before you know, una carry children go school. Your wife don't come out to go cleaning work where they do. You don't come out go your beer parlor wait for they wash plate. A month your wife go bring you self go bring your maybe your children benefit go come still join them. Before you know, life don't they go, life don't they move. Things don't they okay. Things don't they okay. But some people not they look at like that. Some people just think say, I beg you, may we just they born. If we just born all those children benefits, we just they use that. So go even they carry their own, they go bongo. They give you money, may you take care of your pikin. They give you money, may you take look after your children. When they don't give you finish, you just carry the money, you carry and go bongo fly. You send the money, you will carry and go bongo fly. But you surprised say where they take. You know they put inside. You not go finish. It go finish. It go finish. So my people, I know say some people will look this topic say na joking topic or what is this one they talk self. She don't advise herself finish or she don't talk to herself before she come they talk to people. See, let me I tell you this topic where I talk to. I know say many people they inside. Plenty. Forget say dress where they see for Facebook. Many people they where they not get where they stay. They not get where they stay and they not they work towards it. They not they even they think. They not go even reason and say I have to stay with this my girlfriend. Now yeah, we just stay forever. You know they plan ahead. Okay, your girlfriend still help you. Maybe 6 months, 3 months. Still also try your best. Excuse yourself. Even though na one room, go rent. Because who help you today? He help you today, tomorrow he help you, next tomorrow he help you, the other day. You not cut leg, you not cut hand, you not cut, you don't be saying you they sick. You just wait, make one person come they help you. You just there, your own after your eat, sleep. Some of our people, they not go ever say, okay, since this girl see they pay for her strength, me I see they support her for money to cook. They not go support because they save their own. Because they look and say, this one, this mumu, you know say they save my money. May you they pay her strength and you go they do everything. But you know say, you get where that person go do and reach. One day, he go tell you say, excuse me, he go tell you say, no, I don't feel help this boy again. I don't try my best. Everybody come Europe to come also. Everybody come this Europe to come save money. Not be say you go they save you. Me, I will come they use my own, they pay her strength for you. It not they work like that. It doesn't work like that. You say still think and say, if na me did this shoe where this girl did so, I put person for house, na me they pay her strength, na me they feed her, na me they buy everything. If na you go see verse one day say, it be like say this boy not serious. Make this boy come they go. Yes, you go tell am make e go because everybody come Europe come also. Everybody come Europe come find the way his family, his sisters, his brother go take dey okay. Not be say you come carry your own put for one person neck say make she just dey do and they go. Make she just dey do and they go. He no go do am forever. One day he must tell you say come leave my house. You see the way the boy they tell the girl just now. If they tell the girl you are a bad person, you are a wicked person. Now where cold don't come now. Now you can't say me I can't come out for your house. Okay, now summertime won't they tell you may you come out? Now summertime go tell you say okay, I don't tire to pay house rent. Can't come out for my house. Whether he tell you for cold time, whether he tell you for eat time. Now the time the thing take tired and I tell you so. So if you want make that kind of thing not happen to you as a man, as a responsible man, you need to work towards it so that tomorrow your video no go come out for social media say hey Ogbemudia no fit pay for house rent o e girlfriend don pursue am. Before you know Facebook don carry am. You know say this Facebook na worldwide. Facebook is worldwide. Any video don enter this Facebook na viral. All the whole world dem must see am. The whole world must see am. So if you want make all the whole world not see your nakedness, if you want make the whole world not see wetin you use cloth cover, if you want make the whole world not see say you dey Europe na person na woman dey pay house rent for you, you better work hard and you need to think fast. You need to think fast. You need to work towards it. If not, Yahweh even now when a baba or dwa boezo. What is the same papa no year na papa can dey judge the matter later. So if you want that kind of thing to not happen to you, anything you are doing, whether you are doing shoro, whether you are working, you need to save. Save. Even though it's one room, rent one room. Go and take one room from Nigeria people, you will be paying 200 or 250. It's more better that you went to go and be staying with your girlfriend. She can decide to say, okay, I don't want you again in my house. What are you going to do? You don't have anywhere that you are going. Even now there is cold. There is much cold. So you go to sleep for outside. If you don't sleep for outside, cold don't enter your ribs now. Cold don't enter your body. You can't get sick tomorrow. All those money where you don't pack, go bongo. You don't go see any of them again. If you don't already carry money, go bongo. To come carry and come back for Europe, not be easy something. So that is why, if you have, you need to take care of yourself. Your life is very important first. Because they say na head where they are life, now they find money. Now head where they are life, now they feel bath your body well. So you need to help yourself, mostly our boys. Because woman, e not still good though. But woman, more than not they use body, they say, the way this woman say they don't follow. No. Woman, even though man pursue woman come up for house today, another man go see and carry and enter house. But man, before you go see woman where you go just carry you enter house like that, it not easy because you be man. You understand? Man and woman, there is a difference. Man and woman, there is a big difference. And another thing I want to talk. Una wey be boys, when they go just call una, they'll say, I bet hook me up. I want me you hook me up with one girl. Maybe you just see one girl, the girl just say you get money. Maybe you they stay Italy. But you say, I bet carry your bag. Just come meet me for Germany. Anything you know, suffer again. Maybe the house where you be they manage small because of open eye. The house where they manage for Italy, small, where they also small. You go just say, I bet madam, this room give another person. I don't already dey where I don't see woman for Germany. You go come go meet the woman. When you reach there now, you know say when you need see love like this, you go the shark, you go the ginger, you go the swagger. When you can't reach there now, maybe the woman not be like the kind person where she dey find, not be you be. She go come tell you say, my brother, I'm so sorry. I want you to leave. How you won't do? You don't do anything. You go come the street. That time you go come say women not good. Because it dey obvious. Me and the thinker. Woman go they just hook you with woman. The woman where you don't know before, you don't even know where it dey. You don't know the way they you don't know the way they dey. You don't even know the way they live your life. you just close your house where you get, just pack your baggages. You dey happy say you don't see woman, they don't hook you up with one woman. You just go there, carry your bag, go sit down for there. That kind of boy or that kind of man is not a responsible man. Because another day, he go see another girl where he go still call and say, I better come my house, so I dey Holland. I want me to come dey stay for my house. He go still carry a bag, he go still leave you. He go still go down Holland, go stay with that girl. All those kind of men, whether they travel, they go stay with Precious today. They go stay with Esther tomorrow. They go stay with Crystal Bennett tomorrow. All those kind of men. Now then they fall inside this vintage where be say, woman go say, okay, can't leave my house. I don't want you again for my house. I don't want you to stay with me again. Now those kind of men, now that kind of thing they quit the meat. Because you were no one also. You know one strong. You dey find where woman don't do for grand. Where you want go, they follow and they stay. You dey find where woman don't achieve. Where you want go follow and stay. Why can't you strong go by yourself so that woman go come stay with you as a man? So he get one music where they sing say to become a man is not a day's job, and it's true. If you want to be a man and you want people to respect you, and you want women, mostly we women, you want us to respect you, you need to struggle. You need to work hard as a responsible man. Now so women still be. So if you be man, you say now woman has you want they work out, they follow, they go, you want they stay with woman up and down. Woman go they look you irresponsible. Irresponsible, because as a man, at least you have to you get your own word when you're supposed to talk. You get your own action when you're supposed to take. But if you are not a responsible man, you cannot take any action. You cannot take any action. Even though you dey friend the girl or you want marry the girl, you not be strong man, you not be responsible man, you not the hustle. You know, at least a day, you know, if you give your wife, say, okay, my wife, take this 20 euro, find what we will use and eat. You dey wait, may your wife come dey feed you. Where your mama marry your papa, now your mama they feed your papa, be now your papa they feed the mama. So now what if you really look what they happen today now, people go tell you say marriage is not the last. Man go you marry na before you know they don't separate. Yes, they go separate. They go separate because men, not be all men, oh, not be all men. But most of our men, mostly this Europe, most of our boys, they won't just wait for woman. They won't wait. Oh, no, they pity woman. Now let Nigeria, I see say Nigeria country now no say they know they pity for woman. They don't get woman feeling. Now let Nigeria know. If you go Ghana today, they see get woman feeling. In Europe they get woman feeling. Like because they see say they go say Europe now woman get power because all those people they know say woman not supposed to they suffer too much. Even our papa that time, all those our older days papa, 70 years now, 80 years now. If you see them when they marry, then not be their wife, they take care of them. Now then they take care of their wife. That is why you see say that time man go marry 4 wives, 5 wives, 6 wives, 7 wives. They go they happy. They will be happy. They go even wear the same clothes. They will wear one cloth. See Regina Daniel today now. You see Regina Daniel, how many wives your husband get? Because the man no say he go fit take care of the 6th wife. He's capable. That is why you see say he marry plenty. All those 6 wives he marry, now how many of them they suffer? How many of them the man go tell say, okay, you go outside, go find money, come, may you take on feed your children? No. That is why you see say the wife where he marry, all those 6 wives where they marry, they are not complaining. They complain because their husband they take care of them well. They are okay, they are comfortable. The man stand as a man. He know that he's capable, he's a responsible man, he can take care of 6 wives. They are happy. They okay. I know say many people they say Regina Daniel na small pikin why he go marry husband. But nowadays everybody they find where he go enter, where he go get peace. Many people love Regina Daniel, say he go marry husband. But today she's happy, she's okay. Okay, maybe Regina Daniel now maybe he go marry small boy. He go marry all those boys where we they see now. They go break, he go lie down for bed, say marriage, and then they go outside, go find money, come away, go take care of your children. So we know that it's not easy, but at least we need to work towards it. We need to work towards it. It's very important. Even though you be my brother, you be my blood brother, you marry, you know if you take care of your family, you are not a responsible man. You are not responsible. Let's be truthful. Now we talk truth. Because if you dey talk truth like this, you know, say, like this kind of video, now what they do now, you dey talk to people, you dey reason with people, people will not like it. Some people will not like it, but when you are doing swagger, doing ginger, you are insulting people, they will help you to make the video go viral. You understand? So, I must say my truth. I don't care. Even though I have 2 people that watch me, even though I have 3 people that watch me, it doesn't really matter. Wetin dey matter be say, if you talk to people, at least the advice wey you give people, if they reach us, they go still think and say, that the Lady Joy say, me we really dey save money. Oh. Okay, this money where I get, so may I go rent 1 room. May I go rent my room. I want to stay. No, I don't want my person come drive me for house. And not true, it's reality. It's reality. So, that is my topic, my people. So, we are going to meet again tomorrow. I'm not going to take a lot of time today because I have something to do. So, before we go, we are going to play music. And my people, if you want to join Sad People Movement, inbox me. But if you know you are from Sad region, you are free to join the Sad People Movement. But if you know you are not from Sad, you are not free to join us. So that is why you see, we the people in Sad, we are all together in that Sad People Movement. So with that Sad People Movement, we are discussing and we are doing a lot of things to help our region. You understand? So we dey work towards them. Now small, gradually. So I know we are going to somewhere. So my people, if you know you have not subscribed to my YouTube, please subscribe to my YouTube, Lady Joy Show. So I love you people so much. My brother, my sister, you where they watch me. They say na small word, now they go tell pikin where they think. If you reach in mind, you go conscious to big one. I know say some people they inside this topic, but this is where Lady Joy they talk. So na back of ear they pass and they throw away. If I see you for social media tomorrow, say they don't post you, say one girl don't pursue you for streets and you not can't get where to stay, I go comment under that video, say you see what Lady Joy when they talk about is very important. Look for something to be doing. We know that Europe is not easy. It's not easy for anybody. You not get who easy for. You not get who they pluck money for tree. You not get who that they dash money, say month go just hang, go say okay, take this free money, go use and do what you want to. No. Everybody they suffer before person get this money. So I pray may God help us. And I pray may God see us through. So they say our bread is better than not. Some of our people, whether they call for work, money work, even though the money not too big, even though the money not small, but at least you they work. If you not say na contract work, say they will give you contract. The manager, small. You see, if you see Italy today now, Senegal people, now then they get work pass. Now Senegal people they get work pass because Senegal they go school. They try to learn the language. Our people call Nigeria. They know they quit, they go school because they won't build mansion. They won't build mansion. If they say go Italian school now, go Italian school so that may you know how to speak Italian, may you know how to write, so that if you won't get job, you go quick get job. Because if you get job for here now, they will ask you say whether you don't go Italian school. They will ask you whether you get A1, A2 before you can get social media. If you not get, they're not going to employ you because they're not going to employ you for work now. Person can't speak language for you. He tell you say, okay, go bring water. You don't know what they call aqua. If they tell you say go bring water, you call the answer and say, what you know hear what he talk. Person when you want speak English for now, you know they hear English. Now language in they speak. You now you know they speak language. They're not going to take you for work. They're not going to take you for work. That is why it's very important. If you don't say now, you never they work. Go school. Go to Italian school. Go and learn how to read and write. You will stand for ABCD. Late, gradually. Before you know, you don't learn. That is why Senegal, if Senegal they find work, they don't see work because then they go school, then they take time, they go school. Even though that they work, they go still try their best. Make say they go school, even though na 1 hour to school, they go make sure say they go school 1 hour so that make them for read. So that even though you won't put your documents for autonomy, they go tell you say make you first go school first. So that you go bring the certificate when you take go their school before they'll feel help you put your document for autonomy. So if you not say you dey ask, you be man, you be woman, go school. School don't already start. They get class by 5 o'clock. Italy now they talk. Oh, if you not say you dey Italy, I don't know another country. Oh, they get class by 5 o'clock. They get class by 3 o'clock. At least if maybe if they go work, you close by 3. You rest by 5 o'clock. You don't go school. You learn how to speak language so that if you are looking for a job, they can give you job too. Because you know if they work for restaurants now, they tell you say I need pasta with sugar. You can't go there, you can't go bring another thing come because you know hear what they talk. That is why it's still difficult for them to employ Nigerian people because some of our Nigerian people they don't want to go to school to learn. We know that the Europe side is not easy, but at least may we follow their law. May we follow small things will be okay. You understand? So, I love you, my people. Let me play this music before we go. Play this my music. This my Benin music where I really love. Where they? I pray me and see them. So, my people, if you know say you get any question before I go play this music, you call me so that you will still bring your own idea. Oh, this is bad music. And they come on. So that is my topic today. So I know say many people go think about it. Many people go reason it. And I know say many people they inside. I know that. Life na jeje, no worry life. Where this music come from? Me will play this Isha music since I don't see that one. I'm coming now. I don't see the music where they find. So let's enjoy this music a little bit before we go. Network. May we enjoy this music before we go. I love the music so much. Thank you. Thank you. I love the music so much. Let's enjoy it before we go. Hey, YouTube. I love music. I love music so much. I love music. I too like musical. Music, get music where they like. All those Benin music. I love Benin music. Benin music, Agbo music, Ekwale music, Isha music. I love it so much. Mostly Benin music. I don't know about to play. They sing and you want Melody Joy help you, they promote your music, you inbox me so that if I do program like that, I'll see the help you they play and still put up on my wall. I believe some people will see the sing.
vivace e gentile. Scarica l'app di Amazon, fai acquisti ovunque.
Ma non mi piace,
E ottieni assistenza in un lampo. Scarica.
Boh, ha ragione. Music. I like the part one they play now. Okay, very soon we are going. 5 minutes to go. Okay, bye bye my people. See you tomorrow. Bye. One love.